midnight.
Long time no see. It's June 30th, 6:35 in the morning. I'm going camping. And I am with my friend Reagan.
Hello.
Yeah, and also we're gonna go get Jillian soon, and we're gonna be camping for the weekend. I'm excited. She isn't. She didn't let me pack my bubbles.
Booties wiggling inside of some jeans, and I just gargle some Listerine. So fresh and so clean.
My man E should be getting like 30 G's every time that he's on the boards like Cordy Keys. Circuit, please. Why you on that hurried steez? We laid back.
What if I told you I wasn't recording that entire time?
Wow.
He's so excited. He loves it. Wow.
Wow.
His first Carl's Jr. burger. He's not even gonna eat it. Yeah, he hasn't eaten it yet. He just wants to look at it. Yeah. I think he just wanted it to say he got it.
I'm gonna put on display.
I think so.
Sick of being broke, shit.
Okay, so we arrived. Not a whole lot of people here. My grandpa and grandmas are here, and I haven't been to this place since I was a kid. All right, but it's pretty sick. It's pretty sick. I'll show you.
Cider, dressed for paparazzi, fresh and pagliazzi, till my car got declined like, yo, who can slide me? Yo, who can slide me? My two favorite questions. Ballin' like a bomber, fresher than a freshman, broke but never broken. Movies are expensive, let's just watch the bootleg. Tacos on a Tuesday, and if it's only cash, then I only got a car. And if they take card, then I forgot it in the car. But baby girl down, baby girl still down, and I love her when I'm rich, cause I know she love me now. Yeah, I know she love me now.
Shake it up and just sway. My eyes bloodshot from the pain.
Yeah, it's a treehouse.
So sick!
So sick. Hey, MTV. Come on in, you broke motherfuckers.
They forever cooking, found love, got a bad bitch, but I'm still looking. My appetite, big ain't acting right, she like to role play. I had that, she ain't heard back from me the whole day. Yeah, when it come to these hoes, I'ma just do me. I want a good girl like I wanna be free, but they all want likes, they just wanna be seen. I saw I double tap, making fun of that, then make a run that I come through.
This is just her closet.
He decided to go in the boat. Oh, wow. Want me to push?
No.
Oh, you don't want me to
We die?
start you off? Bye.
Bye.
Looks like he doesn't know how to row. You're supposed to use both of them.
I'm scared I might drop one. I better if I have one. It's not even connected though.
The metro, I'm eating all the food. Raid your kitchen, who raised you? This shit reckless. If mama seen this bathroom, if she read all your texts, wake that ass and bake that bone. Spare that shake when you take that toe. I'ma make you laugh and say my name like you just called roll. Yeah. Too much kicking back and bumping Beano. Past that, I say you stingy with the vino. I'm the nigga in these chinos. This whole verse was just the B-roll. Got no commas on my statement. Dollar bills when I'ma see those. I can make it day in the nighttime. Baby girl, you know I'm next to none. And I can make you say what I want, love. Ooh, you know the best is yet to come.
Shake it up and just